unlocking the full potential of the human brain. The concept of brain capacity often sparks debates, with many believing that humans use only a fraction of their brains. This myth persists despite scientific evidence to the contrary. Modern neuroscience reveals that we use virtually all parts of our brains daily. Brain imaging shows that even simple tasks activate multiple areas, debunking the myth. Historically, the myth of limited brain usage gained traction from misinterpretations of neurological studies. Early 20th century scientists inadvertently fueled this misconception, leading to widespread acceptance over time. Neuroscience has shown that brain functions are highly interconnected, involving complex networks. Understanding these connections helps us appreciate the brain's full potential and dispels lingering myths. Cognitive enhancements, such as nootropics and brain training, show promise but have limitations. They can improve specific functions, yet cannot unlock untapped brain regions, as myths suggest. The brain's capacity impacts our memory and learning abilities profoundly. Advanced understanding reveals that stimulating environments enhance neural connections, thereby boosting recall and comprehension. Continuous learning keeps the brain agile and receptive. Emotional intelligence, involving empathy and self-awareness, is crucial for optimal brain utilization. Recognizing and managing our emotions can improve social interactions and decision-making, fostering both personal and professional growth. Enhanced problem-solving skills are a testament to the brain's adaptability. By engaging in complex tasks, we can train our minds to think critically, approach challenges creatively, and devise effective solutions. Creativity and artistic expression are deeply intertwined with brain function. Activities such as painting, writing, and music stimulate different brain regions, fostering innovative thinking and emotional release, enriching our mental landscapes. Enhanced sensory perception allows for a richer experience of the world. Fine-tuning our senses through mindful practices can heighten awareness, improve focus, and deepen our appreciation of everyday moments, enhancing overall well-being. Enhanced brain utilization can significantly improve physical coordination and motor skills, leading to better performance in sports and daily activities. This optimization enhances precision, agility, and overall bodily control. Social relationships benefit from advanced brain use, as improved communication skills foster deeper connections. Enhanced empathy and understanding lead to stronger bonds and more effective conflict resolution. Mental health sees both benefits and risks with increased brain utilization. While it can boost resilience and coping mechanisms, overuse or misuse may contribute to anxiety, stress, and other mental health issues. Ethical implications of enhanced brain use are profound. Issues such as inequality, consent, and the potential for misuse must be addressed to ensure fair and responsible advancements in brain technology. Technological and scientific advancements are driven by enhanced brain use, propelling innovation across various fields. Breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, neuroscience, and biotechnology promise transformative impacts on society and human capabilities. The educational system demands reform to foster comprehensive brain utilization. Integrating neuroscience into curricula can cultivate critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, preparing students for future challenges and innovations. Societal changes and human evolution are intricately linked to advancements in brain utilization. As our understanding deepens, we can reshape social structures, promoting equity, innovative problem-solving, and holistic well-being. Enhanced brain use offers potential for global collaboration and peace. By fostering empathy, cultural understanding, and cooperative problem-solving, humanity can address global issues more effectively, uniting diverse perspectives for common goals. Fiction often exaggerates brain capabilities, contrasting sharply with reality. Media portrayals can misinform public perception, overshadowing genuine scientific progress and ethical considerations essential for responsible advancements in brain science. The future of human intelligence is promising, with potential breakthroughs in education, technology, and social integration. Emphasizing ethical development ensures these advancements benefit humanity, creating a more enlightened and connected world.